Recently, we released the high voltage upgrade kit for the BBSHD motor. It's been very popular and we've been getting some great feedback from the people that are using them on their bikes. You can see more pictures and reviews online. At high voltage, we're always looking for ways to improve our upgrade kits, and Greg, who is the controller programming guru at high voltage, has really hit it out of the park with this new feature. When you upgrade to BBSHD with the ASI BAC855, it will be subjected to over 3 times the power it was rated for. This power inevitably generates heat, and we do our best to manage that heat and prevent damage to the motor through proper gearing and monitoring. We currently supply the kits with temperature strips so riders can manually view them and back off when the motor gets hot. But what if there was a way to have the BAC855 read the temperature of the motor and then reduce the available power once a set temperature is reached, preventing heat damage to the motor? Well, now there is, because all high voltage kits now come with a temperature probe which bolts onto the motor casing. This has been calibrated to read the temperature of the motor and send it back to the controller. The ASI BAC855 interprets this information and will scale available power accordingly. It's quite ironic actually that the BBSHD already comes equipped with a temperature probe. It's just Bafang for some reason never used it. They also changed the design at some point, so there are 2 versions of the motor with different temperature probes, which makes it difficult to utilize. Rather than try and get customers identify which version they have, we are providing our own sensor with the kit that bolts on the motor casing. As far as I'm aware, nobody else making upgrade kits for the BBSHD has this, and it's just another reason why this is the best upgrade kit on the market for the BBSHD. The temperature probe sends constant information to the controller. If the BBSHD gets too hot, it restricts power to protect it. We have multiple thermal profiles for this depending on whether you run the stock nylon, PEEK or steel gears. All new kits will come with this feature as standard. If you're already enjoying the high voltage BBSHD upgrade kit and would like to use this new feature, please get in touch, as we have a few options that we can offer at cost and shipping price. We truly appreciate your business and would love you to enjoy this upgrade. As well as the temperature probe, we will also be offering the 3D printed mount and cover plate in carbon fiber reinforced polycarbonate. The 3D printers at high voltage have recently been upgraded to allow us to print in this super tough material, and we will make this option available to customers. Also in testing is the EGGRIDER V2, which has been steadily improved in terms of its functionality with the ASI controllers. It even looks like it might be possible to have the motor temperature monitoring read on the display. So far, testing indicates the EGGRIDER will operate our kit 52 volts no problem, but we need to do a little bit more work to have the egg work optimally at 72 volts. There are about 5 different solutions to this, and we want to use the most robust and reliable one. I'll be happy to update once more information becomes available. Links to the information on all our upgrade kits are in the description, and if we're not showing stock, then we can take your details and contact you as soon as a kit is available. Thanks for watching the channel. Cheers.